Hello, all the adorable English learners. Welcome back to this channel, Sapna Raghuvanshi, and I hope you people are doing great in your life. So yes, friends, if I talk about myself, I'm also doing great. And here, as you can see, that I'm going to practice my English. I'm going to create a video, and yes, in this video, I'm going to share little bit my feeling. And even I'm not sure whether I'm going to upload this video or not, but literally and genuinely, I want to share my feeling here. This is a little bit funny as well, and yes, emotional as well for me. So guys, as you can see that I have reached here in Varanasi. So after reaching here, I have been just making my sad face, and I'm just keep telling the same thing again and again, that I'm not feeling good here. I'm missing village, and I'm missing mommy papa also, this way. So my husband just told me one thing: don't lie. I know very well that you are not feeling good here, at room in Varanasi, just because of your KD, because KD is not here. So this is the reason only. You are not missing village. But no guys, literally and honestly, if I talk about my feeling, so I'm feeling village, and this is happening being a human being. I don't know about others feeling, but I'm telling genuinely about myself, that I'm just that kind of person who is getting attached with someone, with the things, with the person, emotionally. And due to that, sometimes I had to face problem also a lot. Okay, I'm very sensitive and emotional from inside. Means whenever I'm living here, so I'm just into this, I'm habitual of living here. So if I go to my village at first, so I don't feel good there the very first day only, just because my family is there. So of course with family I am just into this, and I'm just forgetting everything. But the very first day I feel bad, and whenever I live in village for a long time, as in summer vacation, I have spent a lot of time there. So after reaching here at my room, in Varanasi, I'm not feeling good. Okay, just because I'm missing those scene and those moments due to that. But my husband was telling me that you are only missing your KD, just because KD is not here, that's why you are feeling. So guys, if you don't know about KD, so KD is my best friend, okay, who is living here with me on the same floor and in the same building. So yes guys, this is also true, just because KD is not here. KD is still in her village, and due to that also I'm not feeling good, of course. But it doesn't mean that I'm not missing my family, I'm not missing my village. Of course I'm missing them a lot. And by the way guys, ever since I have reached here, I have been just keep managing my work, household work, cleanliness. And when I reached my village, so in village also I just managed a lot of work, guys. I can't even tell you, just because I went there after a long time. Due to that, I was supposed to manage a lot of work. Okay, and after reaching here also, I was supposed to manage a lot of work, because after getting summer vacation, at once I left for my village. And during my school time, literally guys, I'm not getting spare time to manage these things. I have just set my almirah and also my box. I have just everything was unmanaged inside that box, inside the almirah, my clothes and all. So I just managed everything properly, and it took me a lot time. You even can't believe that it took me almost the entire day to manage those things. But finally I'm feeling very much relaxed and relief also after managing all my those work. And yes, one more thing also I want to share here, that I had to do some stitching work also, even though my doctor want me against stitching, guys. Yes, because I'm having cervical problem, and whenever I'm doing something by bending my neck down, so I'm just getting pain over there in my neck. So now guys, train is coming and definitely it is going to disturb me. So before that, I'm going to stop my video. I'm going to say you bye. So bye bye, take care, enjoy your day, enjoy your English, keep shining, keep speaking English fluently, confidently. Bye bye.